we have a smart lock here. You only use the thumb and it's unlocked. And now we're inside. And lock the same. Looks like this. You have to change the battery that's inside here every 6 to 8 months. But you have a lot of keys also. And the 2 master keys that you can open also. Here is the fuse box in the condo. And this condo is SMDC condo. And it is 33 square meter, this condo. I bought it 8 years ago. And the kitchen is bigger than many other condos. Also they have this if you're cooking, so you don't get a lot of smell. Then we come into the bathroom. The bathroom can also have a wash machine there. You see it's installed already, a whirlpool. And the shower is here with the heater also on. Yeah, and here is the living room with an almost brand new sofa from IKEA, a bed sofa. You pull out this and you have a double bed here. And here you can open and put things like we have here. It's like 25,000 for this sofa. TV is 65-inch 4K. And the Samsung refrigerator is only 1 year old now. And they have a phone you can call down to the reception if something happens. You have a door here, sliding door, to close the bedroom, like you have on the other side. And up there you have a fan with lamp. It's very good also, so you don't need to use the aircon always. We have Wi-Fi. It's here. It's new installed. It cost 3,000 for 6 months. Not bad, I must say. 50 megabit. Then we come into the bedroom. The bedroom have a 160 wide bed. And the bed also new, less than a year old. Also IKEA bed. With 2 drawers here to put things. And the Filipino flag on the wall. The aircon is TCL. Works very, very good, I must say. And if the door is closed here, like this, you still have possible to get your aircon air to the living area, because it's a hole on the roof there. Very good also. And then outside, not the best view. TCL aggregate here, very good also. And we are on the 15th floor, this condo. And a short tree is on the other side. The fuse box for the aircon is there. So, and this is soon on the market for selling, if someone have an interest. We want to see little on the outside also. So let's go and do that also. We stop the video inside here. I can tell you the dues a monthly is 3,600, and electric is normally around 3,000. Yes, okay, I go out and film little on the outside. Okay. Yeah, now we are outside where the pool is, and they have 6 pools totally here. And here you can play badminton. today is more people here because it's a Friday. Friday, Saturday and Sunday it's more people here because many come and rent for staycation here in Shore residence. Then you have to go to the pool attendant, and here you can play badminton. And we come from the D building, and if you have kid with you, then they have a nice kiddie pool here, as you can see. Yesterday was a Thursday, and then was hardly any people here, you know, hardly any people. But then Friday afternoon, and they come, the Filipinos, and rent under the weekend when they're free, so they can relax. Up there in the corner, the window alone there is the gym. It's quite big, and you can use it for free if you are renting or if you are a unit owner. And then we have the part of this building with another 3 pools. So it's totally 6 pools in this building. Here you can sit. Sadly you cannot order any food and so here. You can just sit and relax to 10 o'clock in the evening. Then they close the pool, and they don't want people to sit also. They also have good maintenance here. They have painted the whole building white for second time. Here could be some condos I not should buy if I should buy a condo in front of the playground. I'm not sure even if they sell it, but it looks like someone buy it. And this pool in front is my favorite. It's nice, and it's off in shadow here because the big building here. Behind there you have shore number 2. Yeah, so here is the other part of the area. Okay.